Good morning, you guys. I am having my yummy breakfast. It's a Sunday. Today is all about me, which I am so happy about. You all know how much I talk about self-love, and I feel like I am low-key obsessed with myself, and I would do anything to pamper myself, and today is that day. So first we're gonna get our nails done. They look so bad and crusty. Secondly, we are gonna have a fresh haircut. I have not gotten like a new year, new haircut kind of a thing done as of yet. So that's gonna happen today. And I'll get like pedicure or something like that done. So all of that is gonna happen. And then we're gonna be in the mall. So we'll see, we'll do shopping, we'll eat food, and it's gonna be a fun day. Right now though, I should complete my breakfast and I should quickly take a shower. And then we're gonna get ready and get going. I'm so excited. I love February. It's such a cute month. It's like everyone is just like drooling over love, no matter if you are into like loving yourself, or if you have a partner you want to celebrate it with, or you're just like a bunch of girlies doing it. Like, you get my point, right? But yeah, okay. Also, look at this hummus toast. It looks so cute. My presentation skills are just going up and up. With my skincare, and of course I'm running late, so we're gonna pack my on-the-go makeup pouch and we're gonna do my makeup in the cab, which I have to book. So we will have to make things quick, which is why I'm just like gonna keep everything in my cute Miffy pouch, which I absolutely like adore. Let me quickly show you all though what I'm keeping. Of course, we are keeping a concealer, then we are keeping this like lipstick, another lipstick, these, a setting powder, this like puffy thingy, pizza puff, a scrunchie, I don't know why, a tint, okay, this thing, this is like a lip gloss which I really like. What else should I keep? Have I kept like a blush? No. So this blush, then maybe like an eyeliner or something. Oh, mascara. I cannot do without mascara. This is the mascara that I'm keeping. Okay, you guys, I am ready. I've worn this like very fuzzy pink cardigan. I have a really cute pink bag, my denims, and yeah, I will do my makeup in the car, and I think we should get going. My Uber is waiting downstairs. Side of the Palladium, and I'm going to Desange, and this area of Palladium is so pretty, and they've opened up Tira as well, so all the new things have opened up, and I hope you all can hear me. The music is so loud. And we have 4 backwatches over here. This is a VIP room, so like if you want to do some private services or some 5-star specific services, okay. So honestly, you guys, my haircut is done. It looks so adorable. Let me show it to you all. Wait, like it's so pretty. Are we seeing it? Are we seeing it? It's so clean. It's so beautiful. I love it. I look like a doll. I love it. I'm obsessed. I think I should go now. I've been clicking a gazillion pictures because I love it so much, but I have other things to do. This, yeah, you want these. I have come shopping now. I do feel like I deserve a little shopping treat. I don't know what I'm gonna buy, but I'm sure that I want to buy something from Valentine's collection from any of the brands. So let's, like, right now I'm in Gap. I don't like anything as such. There's a Valentine's collection like right behind me, but I don't know, I'm not vibing with anything, so we're gonna see. Shopping is done. I bought a few things from H&M, nothing major actually, and I should eat something now. It's almost 6:30 and I literally just had my breakfast, so I have no idea how I'm surviving, but we are gonna eat something and then I'm gonna leave. I wanted to do more shopping, but I'm not really liking anything, and plus I don't feel like I need anything. I am controlling my shopping addiction a lot actually, but yeah, I'm confused as to where I want to eat and what I want to eat, so we're gonna figure that out. And yeah, this is how my nails are looking. These are my original nails and they're very short, but I just didn't want to get extensions or anything, but I think they look cute. The color is very me and very Valentine's. Going on solo dates is something I recommend to everyone because they can be so therapeutic. And on this particular day, I went to Paul's and had the yummiest food. And I was just people watching honestly because my phone was on low battery, so I didn't have much to do, which I actually don't mind because I was having a really good time. And overall, the whole day turned out to be so good and so, like, I don't know, so good. The next day, I decided to go on like a girly date with one of my really good friends, and I took a few things with me for her. I am going to meet my friend, and you all saw I did this whole thing for her. It's right here, and I'm so excited. I hope we get to see a pretty sunset because the place that I've booked, it's Soho basically, so you can like see a good sunset, and I have requested that we get like a good nice table so we can have like good girly time. And also, like, this is my outfit. I'm wearing my pink denims, this like white top. My nails look so pretty, extra pretty. I'm like hyper pink right now, which I don't mind at all. But yeah, I'm hoping to have like a good time with her. It's been a while. Not been a while, but I need to get a few updates from her about her life, give updates about my life to her. It's the next day, and before you all, make any weird assumptions as to why is Muskan hyper decked up, it's because girlies are coming home. Satlu and Kanch, they will be here in a bit, and I am just like, setting up the table for them because we are planning to do like a little Galentine's kind of a thing, and there's also like a quick shoot that I have to do, so these both will help me for that. And I'm really excited. I have worn this like maroon dress, and y'all can see makeup is fully makeuping. I'm just gonna open my hair up and start setting up the table. I hope the shoot turns out to be cute, and later we are also going for like a cute dinner. And yeah, it's gonna be a fun day, girls day, and I'm really excited. I love my girls, and I'm so happy that I get to just do these cute things with them. But yeah, enough yapping. This is my dining table right here. I have gotten a few stuff, and we are gonna start decorating her up. I have a few ideas in mind. I looked up for inspo and all of that, but as of now I think I should just like start with it. my table is ready. I feel it's looking so cute. Firstly, can we appreciate this bow mini cake, and also these like cupcakes, muffins, and the flowers. Everything is looking just how I imagined it to be. This is so pretty. I love it.
You're obsessed.
Nice.
See.
It's actually really good. Cute.
Nice.
We all look so cute.
Okay.
All of us are wearing pink today. This is my dream come true. We missed you.
Yeah. Okay. Bye. See you. Yes. Get ready. Bye. Yes, I told.
We are out and about. We have to help Satlu with her trials, and then we are going to dinner, which should be fun. Wait, today's
The day is not over yet.
Yeah, we can go in. We have reached finally. It's so cold, but I like this weather. Like it's a cute weather. Dude, I love that area.
Yeah.
It's so cute. Should I go in? What is that? Oh, it's a washroom. Shut up. This is so cute. I love this. I am so sure I'm clicking like 100 pictures here. But this is so... I love it.
I know. Yeah.
Hi vlog.
What camera is this?
It's G7.
Oh, this is the cover.
Yeah.
All of us.
Yeah.
I need it anyway. My camera is falling apart.
That should be my drink.
No. Did you order this?
It's pink. Did you see that top?
I think it's lavender.
It's so cute.
Yeah, it looks purple. It looks purple. Yeah.
It's like Kanchi's top almost.
No. When it is looking a little purple.
It's pink.
But by the time you are having that thought now, some problem. Very
How is Mauritius? Maybe the flight is... Girls trip 2025 loading. Everyone is like, I don't know. But how excited are you for our 2025 trip?
I'm so excited. Once we know where we're going, maybe we'll be more excited.
Yeah.
And it looks stunning.
This is dessert creme brulee. Skillet
cookie.
Guys, this brand has sent me the cutest bouquet of flowers just as like a Valentine's gift, and oh my god, I am blushing right now. Come on, these are so pretty. My day is made.